How to make your wallpaper change automatically on Windows 11. So all you have to do is to right click on your mouse and here select option Personalize. Once you are here, click on background. Here you can see personalize your background and here I got the picture selected. Click here and make sure to click on slideshow. Next open this option and next we want to choose a picture album for a slideshow. So simply click on browse. And now select the folder which contains your photos which will be included in your changing wallpapers. So I got here this one and click on choose this folder. Next you can change the duration of your changing wallpaper. So you can select between these options. For example, every hour. Next you can shuffle the picture order from your folder and you can also choose if you want to let slideshow run even if you are on your battery power. So every hour it will automatically change my background. And that's all you have to know. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.